Initially, we contacted Crawford through Hodge Company to update the heating system inside our facility. This was a document storage facility prior to us renting this facility, leasing it from Hodge. And so there was only one heating unit in here. It was designed primarily to keep the temperature relatively tolerable. And with some of the processes that we do here in our manufacturing, and the fact that we have manufacturing people on the shop floor all the time, we required a little better heating system to keep it warmer in here in the wintertime. And then once we got in discussion with Crawford, with some of the new processes that we've brought on into our operation, we now have a full liquid reagent blending lab right beneath us here, which requires us to bring in a lot of bulk dry chemicals. And these require that the environment inside the facility not be humid. So then we looked at actually doing heating and air conditioning all at the same time. So yeah, that Crawford sat down and came up with this system. The duct socks are amazing, great product. The units that we put in place, we had to put in a new electrical service. So we had our local electrical contractor come in and put in a new electrical service. And then once we got the HVAC units here, we were able to get them set in place, all the ductwork put in place, duct socks hung. And I think it was somewhere around February, March is when they got everything installed. So yeah, it's working beautifully. We put in the BA fans just prior to getting the new units set and the duct sock set. So they actually helped out with the old furnace that was still here prior to getting the new units in. But no, everything works great. The crew was great that put installed the systems. Everybody was respectful of the fact that we're manufacturing around here, and they stayed out of the way and just did a really great job. Very professional group.
Now that you've had the equipment kind of running in both seasons, are you seeing a difference in utilities or anything like that yet?
Well, we knew that our utility cost was probably going to increase because we put in 3 systems versus just the one that we had. Mm-hmm. So we knew our utility costs were going to increase, and this building was not air conditioned prior. So we knew that was also going to increase. Just so happens I saw the check come across my desk for the electrical bill last week, and I was pleasantly surprised. I didn't think it was as high as I had anticipated.
Okay.
So yeah, it's been great. We have a great environment in here now. It's nice in here. We needed it dry. We needed to cool it down. So yeah, we're very happy.
Good. And you're able to easily control everything and get like you said, the humidity just right and temperature.
Absolutely. They put in digital thermostats for all 3 units. And so the technicians that were here getting those initiated sat down with me and gave me a crash course on how to program those. So 6 weeks ago, I programmed them for summertime. Mm-hmm. So they run at about 72 or 73 degrees here during the day. And then at 5 o'clock, they jump up to like 76. And on the weekends, they stay at 76. So the programming is awesome. So we're able to control the environment. The BA fans, we've never turned them off since they've been installed. So I think they're set at like 5 or 6%. And they run 24/7. We don't turn them off.